In 2024, a Savannah woman was found guilty of murdering her 20-month-old son and dumping his body in a dumpster.
It was a case that drew national attention, and now the convicted killer is asking for another chance to plead her case. Leilani Simon was found guilty on all counts in November for the 2022 death of her son Quentin, who had been initially reported missing by Simon. After weeks of searching, investigators recovered his remains at the old Savannah landfill. Now, prosecutors say that Simon dumped his body in a trash bin. She was sentenced to life in prison with the possibility of parole, and now her attorneys are asking for a new trial.
WSAV's Jillian Coles was in a Chatham County courtroom today as defense attorneys argued that the state failed to prove Quentin's death was a homicide.
Leilani Simon's attorney David Locke argues the evidence presented by the state was not sufficient or relevant enough to define the manner of Quentin Simon's death as a homicide. Simon was arrested in 2022 after bones were found in a landfill in Chatham County. Officials say were the bones of Quentin Simon. The mother was found guilty on all counts in 2024, including malice murder. Now the defense is pointing out several issues they say place doubt on the state's case.
Forensic pathologist working for the GBI examined the bones. That's essentially what she examined. She was not given any tissue or anything like that to look at, so she did not perform what would be called an autopsy. It was basically she looked at bones.
Defense attorneys argue without that autopsy, the forensic anthropologist could not determine a time or cause of death, and that other reasonable possibilities, including natural causes or accident, should not have been ruled out. The defense also argued that some of the evidence presented by the state, including Simon's text messages and behavior, was an attack on her character and may have improperly influenced the jury's decision.
The texts were at a time period before this, and did consider some comments by the other individual about sex acts, which certainly were prejudicial. And under Rule 403, even if evidence is found to be relevant, which we submit under Rule 402, it was not relevant evidence. It was not material germane to the cause of death.
After the defense gave their case for a new trial, the state requested 45 days to respond in a written brief, and Judge Tammy Stokes approved. The state left with a final remark.
I don't have much in the way of argument today, except to note that with the exception of the general grounds, all of these issues have previously been addressed by this court and rejected.
Simon's attorneys will have 20 days to submit a response to the state's brief. Reporting in Savannah, Jillian Coles, WSAV News 3. On your side.